When you're alone, and you're far from home, her name's the same, but emojis are gone. Said, baby girl, there's a fork in our road.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Right now I'm heading over to Minneapolis to meet Chester at his dorm. We're gonna go to this one mill I have been to about over a year ago. I've only been to it once. We're gonna go see it, try to catch it for sunset. If not, we're just gonna, explore it, see if anything's changed over the years. But I'm gonna, video it, see how everything goes. I think we're gonna start calling these op vlogs because, like, explorers, we call them ops just because it's funny. We've called it ever since we were in I was in middle school, and now I'm a junior in high school. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll see you guys when we're there, I guess. Moron.
It smells so nice in here.
I know.
It seems to be holding. This looks like poop.
It is, that's why it's called pigeon shit. Dude, I'm so scared. This is so gross.
It seems down here.
Yeah, I don't know. But like, why is that darker? It smells so bad. Holy shit, that smells bad. Okay, we're good. I found it. So if you couldn't tell, we did make it in. Now we just got a long climb to the top.
It's in really good condition.
What? It's a pink sunset. So we made it up. Dude, we gotta get up to the roof. This is sick. It's so pink. This is awesome. Not much is here. There's people eating.
Holy shit, that's incredible.
I know. This is awesome. It's beautiful. It's crazy.
That's insane.
It's actually so sick. Look at the splotches of blue.
Yeah. It's like green almost.
Yeah. And the pink up there.
There's a blue.
It's awesome. That was crazy. Those geese just came right over top of us. It's awesome.
They're gonna shit on us.
Those people definitely see us in there. Third time doing this because mic wasn't on, then I was recording now. Okay. We're gonna go get dinner now because I'm hungry. I didn't get any dinner. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. See you there.
you're alone, and you're far from home.